Okay, so I have a 3D object here, and I can just print this out if I want to. I just need to Control P, then select my preferred DW to PDF, preferred paper. I will be selecting short paper. I will be choosing the landscape, center to the plot, then window, and just select this object itself, and that's it. I can print the object in a paper. However, I wish for it to be printed with a different views like orthographic views, top view, side view, right view, front view, and even an isometric view. So here's what I can do. So in this scenario, I have two options. You have two options. First is for you to go here in the layout tab. Okay, so make sure to delete everything, select everything, then delete. Then go here in the layout, right click this one and select the page setup manager and click modify and select again your preferred bond paper. So in this case, I'll be selecting DW to PDF and I wish for it to be printed in A4 bond paper. This A4 bond paper is the customized paper that I have created. So I'll be selecting this A4 in mm. Then in the landscape, then I just need to click OK, then close. So now this paper is an A4 paper. So I wish my object to be printed here on this paper. So I will be not adding any title blocks because if you wish to add some title blocks, I have a video on how to put a title block in the layout tab. You can just watch it. And for this one, I just need to transfer my object, my 3D object on this paper. So the first thing I can do is to type V ports or for the viewports, shortcut key V ports, click the dot V ports. In this one, this will pop up. You have a lot of options here. We have single view, double view, we have triple view, and even 4 views. So in this case, I'll be selecting, let's say, 3 views or 4 views, okay, 4 equal views. So just, okay, it's up to you, but you can edit this one by clicking per rectangle. Click this one, you can change a right view, realistic, and click again this one, front view, realistic. You can, it's up to you. So once you have arranged everything, and in my scenario, in my case, I won't arrange anything. I will just arrange them once I have displayed this to the paper. So I just need to click OK. Then there's an option here, specify first corner or fit. So if you have a title block, you can specify the corner of the area where where you will be putting your drawing. But in my scenario, on my case, I have no title block, so I just need to click fit. So as you can see, it is being fitted on the whole bond paper or on the whole paper. Okay, so click the outside. Okay, outside. Again, please remember that this is the outside area and this is the inside area. When I double click this area, my command or my cursor will be transferred on the drawing area. Again, when you click the outside area, you can zoom the paper. Okay, you can zoom in and zoom out. You can adjust everything outside. But if I will double click this one, my cursor will be transferred and I can edit the view if or what view I wish to. Okay, so just make sure this one. So let's say this is my top view. Okay, this is my top view. So I can just put this down like this, top view, and I can put a scale here like 10:1. Oh, it's too big, so let's say 2:1. Still too big. How about 1:100? It's too small. 1:1. Okay, so I'll be using 1:1 here. This is the top view. And this will be my, again, click outside so that you can zoom in and zoom out the paper. And click again this part. And this will be my front view. And again, 1:1. This is 1:1. Make sure to change this to 1:1. Okay. Now, before I can zoom out the whole paper, again, click outside or double click outside. And this will be Double click here. Make sure to change this to WCS. And this will be my right side. Okay, again, since we are using 1:1 to the other drawing, so let's use 1:1. Okay, and you can edit this one. You can change this to X-ray, to the wireframe. Same for the others. Realistic, and this will be my isometric view here. Okay, then again 1:1, and that's it. That is the first type or first way of printing multiple views in AutoCAD or 3D object views. So when I type Control P, again, preview. Okay, this will be the result of your drawing. We have, it's up to you if you will put a text here, top view, front view, right side view, and isometric view. It's up to you. Again, it depends on you. You can, you know how to add text, just click here. And if you wish for this to be not printable, you can just do that. There's a way for this border to be not to be printed. Okay, so this is the first way of how to plot multiple views of a 3D object using viewports. So now let's use a different method. I will be selecting this one, all of them, then delete. So on this tab, you can see that there's a base here on the left, base view. Okay, base. When you click the drop down of the base, just click this from model space. And when you click that, your 3D drawing will be transferred here. Okay, it is loading. Okay, as you can see, this is your 3D drawing. And this on this area, you can select top view. I will be selecting top view. And this is the top view of your drawing. Okay, as you can see, it's still the same on the viewports method, but on this one, I am using base view-based method. Okay, so in this, I prefer using this way because I can change the scale. Again, we're using 1:1. Same with the viewports. The only thing what I like on this way is that I can change the type of drawing. We have visible lines, visible and hidden lines. So I'll be using visible, shaded with visible and hidden lines. So as you can see, when I select that, click your preferred area here. Then when you click that, make sure to change everything, then click OK, then just click Enter. Okay, so this is why view base is my favorite. The visible lines is, or the grid lines is visible on this way. So again, this view base for model space, I will be using front view. Front view, this is the front view. Then click any area you wish. Click that, then click OK, then just enter. Okay, so as you can see, this is a different view. Just click this one if you want to edit. Double click. Hidden lines, since we are using hidden lines, just click this shaded with visible hidden lines. Okay, so again, if you wish to edit, just double click the object. You can change this one. Okay, so this is the reason why I love using this type or this way of plotting different views in AutoCAD. Again, let's go back here. And again, view base for model space. Now we will be selecting the right side view. This will be the right side view. I will be putting the right side view here. And same, shaded with visible and hidden lines, 1:1, then click OK, then enter. That's it. And for the isometric view, you can select SW isometric. Okay, let's choose SE isometric. Choose NE isometric. Okay, so NE isometric, then 1:1. First 1:1 here. So this 1:1. And same case, shaded with visible hidden lines. So just click. Okay, it's not fit, but you can just adjust that one. This one. So here, click OK, then enter. Okay, as you can see, there's still the same. You can see different views. You customize your preferred views. Then again, Control P, and everything's fine. You can just preview, then click OK, and that's it. So again, this is a different way of showing multiple views in 3D AutoCAD. If in the case that you wish to have some other tutorials, you can comment down below your preferred tutorial so that I can video record on how to execute in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching.